Use of artificial intelligence in solar power plants and increase in efficiency. The use of artificial intelligence in solar power plants is a new way to make the maintenance process more efficient and safe. Artificial intelligence can monitor the performance of panels, identify areas that require maintenance, and even prevent failures by using big data analysis and learning algorithms. How is the 100% autonomous artificial intelligence software, MapperX, used in solar power plants? MapperX, which is a completely autonomous artificial intelligence software, helps increase the efficiency of PV panels by detecting faults in solar power plants. This helps to detect problems that may hinder the production of PV facilities beforehand. MapperX plays an important role as a solution partner in terms of maintenance and increasing the efficiency of solar power plants. Especially considering the difficulty of manual maintenance in solar power plants that cover a large area. The fact that MapperX is a fully autonomous software is a great advantage. Business owners can rely on MapperX to improve the performance of PV panels and prevent failures. MapperX detects faults in solar power plants using thermal cameras and helps business owners make the right decisions by creating reports. As a result, benefits such as reducing maintenance costs and increasing production efficiency are achieved. The MapperX autonomous artificial intelligence software plays an important role in the operation and maintenance activities of solar power plants and helps to increase the efficiency of PV panels by detecting and preventing failures. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.